It's a battle of brilliance. Our standout favorite is The Brutalist, a cinematic masterpiece that's hard to beat, while Conclave might just rise to the occasion. This one's all about the fun. We predict Anora will steal the show, but Emilia Perez has the potential to surprise us. And our final call will be the quirky charm of Anora for the win. The wild robot steals the show with Flo making a close chase. The animation champion, the wild robot, no strings attached. Wicked is the undeniable leader with Deadpool and Wolverine trailing closely, and the cinematic champ, Wicked, it's pure magic. Emilia Perez shines as a leader, but all we imagine as light dazzles as a close contender. Our final pick, Emilia Perez as a global gem. Serious role, serious talent. Adrian Brody for The Brutalist is our standout choice, while Timothy Chalamet for a complete unknown might turn head. Mikey Madison dazzles in Anora, but Demi Moore in The Substance might shines through. Our winner, Demi Moore, steals the spotlight. Comedy meets charisma. Glenn Pearl's slick performance in Hitman stands out, but Sebastian Stan in A Different Man is giving a stiff competition as well. Joe Saldana in Emilia Perez takes the spotlight, though Ariana Grande in Wicked might enchant. Our winner, Joe Saldana. Kieran Culkin for A Real Pain is our leading choice, while Denzel Washington in Gladiator 2 could prove to be a challenge. And the verdict, Kieran Culkin crushes it. Behind the camera magic, Brady Corbett for The Brutalist shine as the frontrunner, while Wakis Odiard for Emilia Perez is not that behind as well. Shogun takes the lead with Squid Game close to its heel. The small screen stunner, we vote for Shogun, hands down. Hacks is the top pick with Nobody Wants This bringing strong competition, and the funniest of them all, Hacks gets the gold. Baby Reindeer is a standout, but the penguin could make a splash, and the best, our pick will be Baby Reindeer. Kathy Bates for Matlock leads the charge, and Anna Sawai in Shogun vying for the win. And our pick will be Kathy Bates. Hiroyuki Sanada in Shogun dominates the category, but Gary Oldman in Slow Horses could deliver a surprise. Our pick will be Hiroyuki Sanada. Gene Smart in Hacks stand out, with Kristen Bell in Nobody Wants This as a strong contender. We pick Gene Smart for the comedian crown. Jeremy Allen White in The Bear tops the list, but Ted Danson in A Man on the Inside might edge, but our pick for this will be Jeremy Allen White. Jessica Gunning in Baby Reindeer shines brightest, with Hannah Abinder making it a close. The winner from our side will be Jessica Gunning. Ebon Moss in The Bear leads this charge, with Asano in Shogun making a strong case. We will pick Ebon Moss for the winner from this category. Nikki Glazer's special is a standout, with Seth Meyers bringing a tad humor in the front. The winner from our side would definitely be Nikki Glazer's. That's a wrap on Golden Globes 2025 prediction. You think we nailed it or are we way off? Let us know in the comments, and hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more award buzz. See you next time.